In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slide transitions in Canva. This is a simple yet powerful way to elevate your presentations and make them more engaging and dynamic. So let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, open the presentation you wish to enhance. You should already see all your slides laid out. Next, let's move down below the presentation pages where you'll get a preview of all your slides in sequence. Hover your cursor between any two slides to bring up the transition options. This spot between the slides is where the magic happens. Click into that space and you'll see an option to add a transition. Once you click Add Transition, a menu will appear. Here is where you can begin exploring the different transitions Canva has on offer. The options range from simple fades to more intricate animations, providing various styles to suit different presentation needs. Feel free to take your time and try out a few to see which one feels just right for your presentation. A little trial and error here that can truly make a difference. For this tutorial, let's give the match and move transition a go. This option is great because it adds a smooth continuity from one slide to the next, especially when your slides have similar design elements or themes. It's a subtle yet effective enhancement that keeps your audience visually engaged. Once you've decided on your preferred transition, let's ensure it's applied consistently across your entire presentation. To do this effortlessly, navigate to the bottom of the transition menu and click Apply Between All Pages. This tip saves time and ensures a coherent style throughout the presentation. Finally, once you've applied your transitions, it's time to see your hard work come to life. Head over to the top right corner of Canva where you'll find the Present button. Clicking this will launch your presentation in full screen mode, complete with the transitions you've added. And that's it. You've successfully added transitions to your Canva presentation. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Feel free to explore other transition styles and effects to find the perfect fit for your creative projects. Happy presenting, everyone!